Delicious and nutritious, unlocking the secrets of Italian cuisine. Introduction. Are you tired of the same old meal routine? Looking for a way to add variety and flavor to your healthy eating plan? Look no further than the Mediterranean diet. With its star player Italian cuisine, renowned for its rich flavors and wholesome ingredients, Italian food offers a plethora of options that are both delicious and nutritious. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the healthy meal routine of Italian cooking, revealing the secrets of Mediterranean cuisine that can transform your diet and lifestyle. Content. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and a warm, flaky croissant. It's not just a dream, it's a typical Italian breakfast. Italians believe in starting the day with a hearty meal, and breakfast is no exception. From simple staples like bread, butter, and jam, to more elaborate options like frittatas and fresh fruit, Italian breakfasts are a delightful way to kickstart your day. As the day progresses, Italians embrace the concept of a leisurely lunch. Unlike rushed meals at your desk, Italian lunches are a time to savor the flavors and enjoy the company of others. Picture yourself sitting at a charming trattoria, indulging in a colorful salad bursting with fresh tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella, drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, followed by a plate of homemade pasta tossed in a light tomato sauce, sprinkled with Parmesan cheese. It's a feast for the senses that nourishes both body and soul. Dinner in Italy is a celebration of culinary excellence. Italians believe that the evening meal should be the highlight of the day, and they spare no effort in creating a memorable experience. Start with an antipasto platter, featuring an assortment of cured meats, cheeses, and marinated vegetables. Move on to a mouth-watering main course, such as grilled fish with a squeeze of lemon, served alongside roasted vegetables drizzled with balsamic vinegar. And finally, end the evening with a sweet treat like tiramisu or panna cotta, accompanied by a glass of fine Italian wine. But Italian cuisine isn't just about indulgence, it's about balance and moderation. One of the key principles of the Mediterranean diet is the use of fresh, whole ingredients. Italians prioritize seasonal produce, locally sourced meats, and sustainable seafood, ensuring that their meals are not only delicious but also nourishing. By focusing on quality ingredients, Italian cuisine allows you to create meals that are both healthy and satisfying. Call to action. Ready to embark on your own Italian culinary adventure? Start by incorporating some of these healthy meal routines into your diet. Experiment with different Italian recipes, using fresh ingredients and traditional cooking methods. And don't forget to share your experiences and creations with us. We would love to hear from you. Together, let's unlock the secrets of Italian cuisine and embrace a healthier, more flavorful way of eating.